Yeah, that's the weather we're getting today, actually. Fun fact, we are getting that same system. It's moving in. It is going to cause some problems. It's not a whole lot of snow at all. In fact, some of us won't see accumulation. Probably see some snowflakes later this afternoon. Probably won't accumulate, but it's not just that. It's also wind. It's also the cold temps moving in very quickly. Wind advisory right now in North Iowa, Charles City, Osage, even New Hampton in that. And then also we got that winter weather advisory elsewhere. Both of these start later this afternoon through early tomorrow morning. Winter weather advisory is for those winds plus some likely a little bit of accumulation, making for, very brief low visibility. But then all the snow melts or it sticks as ice, and it just makes problems for that afternoon, evening commute. And if you're not in those alerts, things are probably expected to be a little bit better for you, but I still expect some impacts. That's like Rochester, Austin, Fillmore County. Let's take a look right now. Winds, it's kind of breezy outside, 15 miles per hour. Yeah, you step outside and you probably want a hat. It's also warm outside. Look at the temperature right here, 39 degrees. It has been melting snow all night long. But it only feels like 30 degrees. Those wind chills will get a lot worse as this system moves in, and it's still not totally organized yet. It's still more of a cold front, actually. I haven't drawn it for you here, but that's what it is. Warm side with the rain turns to the cold side with the snow over the course of today. Out the door now, no rain yet. By 9 a.m., okay, we could see a couple of drops here and there. 10 a.m., we're really starting to see some drops, and by lunchtime, look at lunchtime. It's raining everywhere. Some spots, it's really raining. Don't be surprised if you hear a roar of thunder. It's possible. This is a strong system moving on through. Backside of the system, here come winds out of the northwest. That starts this afternoon. Temperatures quickly dive into the 20s, and as they do so, it turns to snow. And because there's so much moisture and rain locked up in the air, it's quickly turning to snow, like freezing instantly. That snow will be heavy at times. Look at Rochester. Here's 5 to 6 p.m. That's really heavy snow. The thing is, it doesn't last too long. It lasts an hour or two at most, and then it's done. So briefly, a very quick, intense burst of snow is what we're tracking sometime this afternoon, 2 to 6 p.m., moving on through with winds set to follow that. We're looking at probably a quarter an inch to half an inch of rain, and how much snow? Well, not much. This is about what our forecast is, which is trace amounts everywhere. If you're further to the north and west, maybe you're talking about an inch. So here's our forecast. Again, it's not much snow. Doesn't matter. We're still expecting impacts because the snow combined with these winds when they move through, gusting 40, 50 miles per hour, will make for whiteout, near whiteout conditions in some spots. Very, low visibility, blowing snow. And it's just not going to be fun. Also icy conditions too, because the roads, all the rain will freeze. Tomorrow for St. Patrick's Day, do not expect it to feel like a typical St. Patrick's Day. It'll feel like deep winter, partly to mostly cloudy skies, winds gusting 40 miles per hour, flurries, you could see a flake here or there. And, wind chills are going to be below zero all day long. I mean, literally, probably 5 below almost at every hour tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday, better opportunity to get outside, have some winter fun, especially Sunday when the sun comes out.
Thank you, Sean. Safety